Biafra Republic government in exile and de facto because of the lies and some of these little things they did to our PM. We can't trust nobody. We can't. Don't trust me. I'm not begging nobody to trust me. Yeah. And I'm not going to trust you. You know? But we, as Biafra, we are going to start to learn to trust each other. So, on behalf of our Prime Minister, His Excellency, the Obador here, the Peace Ambassador, Anu Kankan, His Excellency Simon Eber. We, dear friends, we thank you and we greet you for bringing freedom to the United States of Biafra. With their local zoo agents hanging around feeling that our Prime Minister is inciting us. Inciting is the word. And they think if he doesn't talk to us, if they take away his phone, if they don't allow him to talk to any of us, then we are not going to be incited, right? That was the part, right? That was their mentality. Just like the zoo thought that when they take Oyendu and lock him up, we are not going to talk about Biafra anymore. Nobody is going to say anything about our freedom anymore. That is their mentality. So that little children's mentality that went into the Nigerian zoo government is now sipping into Finland somehow. Though we have a message for them. If I am gone today, there are people that will be more deadly than me.
Somebody have to speak, say it.
Africans, you have at this time, you can never intimidate them.
There are some people
we are fearless. We are intelligent.
So
we are economically stable. We have the money to match you. Men to men. Fire to fire. Money to money. All we are asking for is to let us have our rights, to let us build our country, to help us build our communities, to let our people enjoy those things that all of us here are offering and helping you in the first world, or wherever country we are in the diaspora. Whatever we are helping you to build in this country outside, we want to take it home too. I think that is a fair statement. It is fair. It's a fair statement. We can always come and visit you. We can always come and visit our businesses we have in diaspora. But we must go home and establish our homes. We cannot continue to have the best doctors in the world in diaspora, the best nurse practitioners, the best nurses, the best engineers, the best lawyers, and they are practicing in diaspora while our own people back home, they are dying. Dying of high blood pressure, diabetes, basic health care. They are not getting it. And you think, if you are working with any foreign government, just like Michael Rubin, our guest speaker, is trying to tell the international leaders right now, including Finland, if you think that these people that have been in Finland for the past 4 days, we have been in Finland, we have been making us, we have been talking. We are looking for those that think that what we are doing is wrong. We want them to come out. What Finland government says that our Prime Minister, Simon Ebbe, did is exactly what this over 1,000 people gathered here will do it. And we will continue. Nobody. If the Zoo government likes, if the Nigerian government under President Tinubu, if they like to hold our leader Nnamdi Kanu for the next 100 years, in Finland, that is known as one of the fierce countries in the world, could succumb to this little child's play being engineered by Nigerian agents in this Finland that are some Biafrans too. If they succumb to this, then they've dented their image. But we Biafrans, we hold Finland at a very high esteem. And we will sit, we will watch how this is going to play out between Finland, Biafra, and Nigeria. And at the end of today, then we know that this little thing they did to him, thinking it's going to hurt him, hurt us, it has made us. On that note, my fellow Biafrans, friends, journalists, and well-wishers, I want to use this opportunity to introduce the special music that was done for Obatobie before these little incidents from the Finland government happened. This music was intended to help all Biafrans raise money towards what we are doing. And you can hear money, 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 money. Yes, we need that money. We need it. We need it. And now, we are going to increase that, but we will make sure that us know where that money is going. Every cent. We will continue
Accountability is the key.
to use every available resources. Talk to the countries that are ready. A lot of countries are ready to back us up. So money may not really be a problem because we got it coming in huge. This government established His Excellency Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. The world is ready to support Prime Minister Simon Ekpa in raising money for Biafra. Should be doing. So we are going to play that music that was launched, is in Detour Records, is global anyway, for our Prime Minister, and his wish is that the whole track of that music is going to be played. It's about 5 tracks. We're all going to enjoy that. And then we are encouraged to, at your own time, just go to that Detour music, download that music. As you're downloading that, our Prime Minister's name is going far, and we are raising funds for the United States of Biafra. Thank you so much, everyone.